Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to download music from the YouTube audio library on your iPhone and add it to your videos as background music. Let's get started. Open Safari and go to youtube.com. Switch to mobile mode by tapping on AA letters and selecting Request Mobile Website. Then tap on AA again, but this time choose Request Desktop Website. After a few seconds, your YouTube will be in the desktop mode. Click on your profile picture and navigate to YouTube Studio. Tap on Channel Customization and wait for a moment. It will redirect you to the YouTube Studio in desktop view. Now click on the music icon to access the YouTube audio library. Here you can search for tracks based on your preferences like track, genre or mood. Select a mood, for example inspiration, dark, bright or happy, and tap on apply. The library will display music tracks that match your chosen mood. You can use pinch gestures to zoom out and explore more tracks. Tap on the play icon to listen to a track, pause it or drag the timeline to navigate. Browse through more tracks by tapping on next. If you find a track you like, swipe left to reveal the download icon and tap on it to save the track to your iPhone. Tap on the share button, select save to files and tap save to store the track on your device. That you have your desired track saved. Follow these steps to add it to your video using the InShot app. Open the InShot app, start a new video project or open an existing one. Tap on the music icon, choose Music Plus, tap on Import it, tap on Import and select Files. Search for the track name and choose it. Tap on Music Plus again and press OK. The music is now successfully imported. When ready, tap on Use to add the music to your video. You can listen to it and make adjustment as needed. You can further edit the volume to blend it seamlessly with your speech. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to comment with any questions. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing for more useful content.